This is another brand that is made in America by Unitary Products Group, which is a part of Johnson Controls. The brand is sold through dealers in the USA and Canada. All of their units feature indoor coil freeze protection and an I-feel temperature sensing remote control, but they only have standard washable filters that don't really do much to raise the indoor air quality. They are backed by a very good guarantee, but they do not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. The M Series models are basic 16-seer multi-zone heat pumps, while the W Series offers premium 22-seer multi-zone units. The P Series offers single-zone cool-only or heat pump models rated for either 115 volts or 208/230 volts. The R Series features single-zone heat pumps with a 20-seer efficiency, while the X Series has 23-seer ratings. The Z Series models are their quietest heat pumps with an indoor unit sound rating below that of a Whisper. They have a 7-speed indoor fan and a 28-seer efficiency for comfort and energy savings.